U.S. indices quiet in the early hours of Tuesday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Nasdaq 100 has been very quiet in general as the Tuesday session starts off with some questions being asked about the trend. Quite frankly, though, the longer we sit like this, I think the Nasdaq 100 looks even better because we did have that impulsive run last week after the election. To simply sit here and go sideways suggests that traders are somewhat comfortable. Short-term pullbacks continue to be buying opportunities, and therefore I think you have to look at it through the prism of whether or not you are getting any type of value. Beyond that, you can also make an argument that we recently broke above the top of an ascending triangle, suggesting that we have much further to go. The Dow Jones 30 has been quiet as well, but the Dow Jones 30 is much more bullish than the Nasdaq 100, for example. It has ran a little further. So with that being said, short-term pullbacks offer buying opportunities that allow traders to take advantage of what is an obvious bullish market. In fact, I think it's really not until you break down below the 41,750 level that you start to think that maybe something is wrong. I think we go much higher. The S&P 500 is currently hanging around the 6,000 level. And with that being said, it's a large round psychologically significant figure that a lot of people, myself included, will be paying attention to. Short-term pullback should offer buying opportunities, with the 5,650 area being the floor in the market. We are in the midst of some earnings now, but really at this point in time, it's all about the bond market and whether or not interest rates rise or fall. The one thing is for sure with the S&P 500, right along with the other indices, they're all in an uptrend. So if it pulls back, it becomes a little bit more cheap to buy into it. I have no interest in shorting any U.S. indices. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.